The kind of unboxing every seafood lover will surely enjoy. From large meaty mud crabs to fresh fish and squid. Keeping cooking simple because fresh seafood speaks for itself. Definitely a true seafood feast. We're excited to open these boxes. It feels like opening a treasure chest. Right away, the mud crabs reveal themselves. Big, meaty, and lively. What a sight!
Iluluto na natin to, Nel. Ano ba yan? Hugasan.
On the second layer, even larger mud crabs appear.
Diretso Sprite na. Konting hugas.
Live mud crab prices in the Philippines range from 650 pesos to over 1,500 pesos per kilogram, depending on size and gender.
Kayong dalawa ni Cyrus. Tabi kayo, dali. Hawa kayo ni Kuya, dali.
Jumbo female crabs can fetch up to 1,500 pesos per kilogram. Practically gold.
Hindi man kasali mukha.
Majority in the family is thrilled, passing them around and marveling at their size.
Huwag mo ibabagsak.
One crab's abdomen is so big, it's wetter than my youngest nephew's 5 fingers.
Diba? Wait.
We rarely get to handle crabs like this, so it's a special treat for all of us. The crabs are probably getting dizzy as we pass them around. Opening the second box, there's even more. This next content isn't bought, it's filled with very own fresh catch. Squid and fish all packed carefully. They were still alive when packed. Since they were transported, freezing was necessary to keep them fresh without losing any quality. There would have been even more of these if the flight hadn't been rebooked. But honestly, what we have here is more than enough to enjoy. Just looking at all the seafoods makes our mouths water, and it's more than enough for a full, satisfying seafood feast for the whole family. Being far from the sea, we rarely get to see this much fresh seafood unless we splurge on buying it. Even if we bought seafood, there's no guarantee it would be this fresh. These, however, are straight from uncatch, 100% fresh from the sea. Freshly caught straight from the pristine waters of Siargao Island. No doubt, we'll be grilling a bunch of these and then enjoying them right on banana leaves for a truly authentic feast. For the giants, we kept the cooking simple, just boiled them with Sprite. When seafood is this fresh, you don't need fancy sauces or complicated recipes.
Ay, hindi pa may timpa.
The natural flavors, the rich umami, speak for themselves.
Babaw yung ilalim na. Ay, ang
Ah,
ang taba. Yung sabaw niya, masarap.
As these mud crabs boil, you can see the rich, flavorful roe, known as alagae, starting to emerge.
Palitin natin.
pagpalaki yun.
Look at that, turning bright red as they cook.
Wala nang kanin, yan na lang.
The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water.
Wala nang kanin, yan na lang.
We're all excited to get these cooked.
Ako hindi ako mag-rice.
Yung itim hindi pa yan luto. Kasi pag pula na. Pag pula na. Nakita mo yung itim ko yung kanina? Ano ka dapat itim daw? Pulo pa.
My brother even brings out a hammer to crack open the massive crab claws.
Ano ba? Successful ba?
Bigger than my entire hand. These aren't farmed, they're wild, naturally raised by the sea.
Eh, tsaka bakit nandito ka? Di ba matutulog ka na?
My brother's going at those giant crab claws already.
B!
Look at that meat and crab
Ay,
roe.
grabe, ang sarap. Oh.
Now this one takes it to the next level.
Ay, grabe. Ay, ang taba. Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ay, grabe.
So full and meaty.
Hindi siya sa cage.
If you love crab like me, this is basically the ultimate treat.
Kumbaga,
Tingnan mo ito na.
hindi to alaga. Kumbaga, ano siya.
Bukyan dito.
Have you had crab like this before?
Hindi siya alaga.
Just look at all that meaty goodness.
Pag yung luto.
Each of us claimed our own spot at the table. With crabs this big, it's more than enough for 4 people and everyone gets a generous serving. Everyone's busy enjoying their portions.
Sige, lagay na lang natin sa rep. Tatay, ito pwede nang di lagay sa rep na kasi mainit.
The crab meat is tender, the roe is rich, and every bite is bursting with flavor. The next day, we moved on to some grilling.
Dito ka. Tatay, dito ka. Mainit dyan. Hindi.
Starting
Oo,
with
wala
3
na.
big fish
Magpapalito
over
ka.
charcoal, simple, smoky, and absolutely perfect.
Diyan ka.
We can smell the smoky aroma from the charcoal, and the skin is slightly crisp while the inside stays soft, flaky, and full of flavor. Of course, we will not leave the squid behind. They will go to the charcoal as well. We stuff some squid with onions, garlic, and tomatoes, simple ingredients that bring out amazing flavor. The fish are almost done.
Ilapit mo yung upuan para ano. Hindi ka nakatayo.
Eating on banana leaves makes everything taste even better. There's something about that rustic, traditional way of enjoying seafood that just makes it special. Of course, eating on banana leaves means no dishes to wash later. All the squid are now on the grill. And finally, the wait is over. Fresh, perfectly grilled seafood laid out beautifully on banana leaves, simple, rustic, and absolutely inviting. Before we start, a young man leads the prayer, reminding us to be grateful for this meal and for the time we get to share together. Appreciation to you for watching. Your support means a lot.
Please don't forget to subscribe and hit bell button of Paul Tonet for more videos.